Hi guys, today we're going to do a short color close-up of the color Ginger Rooted by Ellen Wille. The color Ginger Rooted is shown on the wig Vista. The color Ginger Rooted is described as a blended shade of light honey blonde, light auburn, and medium honey blonde, blended with dark roots. The outdoor photos show the beautiful highlighting of Ginger Rooted. Again, the shade Ginger Rooted is described as light honey blonde, light auburn, and medium honey blonde blended with dark roots. It is shown on the Ellen Wille wig Vista. To see a full video review of this wig and many more, please visit the Wig Studio 1 YouTube channel.